How can you earn money on Instagram? From selling AliExpress products and digital photographs to showing sponsored posts and giving shoutouts to others. There are many different methods for earning money on Instagram. Among all these options, the best way is to set up an account with a marketing brand or a company and become their affiliate to promote listing of products and services. In this video, I will unveil 5 best Instagram video marketing programs. But you must first be aware of a couple of serious mistakes that can cause problems. Committing this mistake will not waste your time and energy unless you follow these steps to avoid them. Attention please, before formally starting this video, in the next few seconds you will know that my name is Imran and this channel is the right place for you to learn about digital marketing and earning online as an entrepreneur to grow and accelerate fast. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit bell icon to access all videos, updates and links in the description box below. Now back to the video.
Low ticket sales are not worth because you will need to make a very large amount of sale in order to make considerable money. For instance, you should stay away from considering small Amazon products. Smaller? I mean having less worth, not talking about small gold bars. Second mistake, trying to sell random products for a single time. It is very wasteful to sell products to your audience out of nowhere because people take a lot of time to make their minds about buying something for the first time. Try to pick at least 5 products and stick to them. Top 5 Instagram affiliate programs. Now I will cover 5 best Instagram affiliate programs to earn money online as an affiliate marketer. Here are 5 of the best platforms that offer these programs. Number 1, Amazon Associate. Amazon Associate is one of the 1,000 and trusted platforms out there operated by e-commerce giant Amazon itself. Amazon has thousands of different products that you can become affiliate for and sell them using your Instagram account. You will get a smart percentage from every product that sell via your referral link. Clickbank is the biggest affiliate program after Amazon, but it only lists digital products unlike the huge portfolio of Amazon. Clickbank has a relatively easier process of registration than some other websites. What else Clickbank apart is that it gives you the liberty to promote the products from companies that are willing to give you the most commission. Clickbank is definitely one of the top platforms for Instagram affiliate marketing because of the high commission rate that they offer. Rakuten, the online retail market from Tokyo, offers an affiliate program that is quite similar to Amazon because of the thousands of products and listings that you can choose from to promote with its pro tech outlook and lots of analytics tool. This platform is ideal for larger businesses and Instagram pages that can give them a larger pool of audience. CJ Affiliate is centered more towards blogging pages and websites, but you can use them for social media accounts like Instagram as well. Being around for more than 2 decades now, CJ Affiliate is one of the oldest established platform on the internet that has very deep network of roots and connection with tons of big companies. ShareASale. ShareASale has thousands of merchants listed and can help you find products that you can market on your accounts. The only downside is that you will need to be a website owner in order to sign up with them.
If you found this video useful, then good news is that you can check links of some more valuable videos in the description section, and many more videos are in the pipeline. Hopefully you will remain connected with me, and for that purpose subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I am also waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice time.